आज मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि हम 10वां नेशनल रेस्क्यू चैलेंज होल्ड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। और ये जो ज़लज़ला हुआ 8 अक्टूबर का, उसकी याद में हम नेशनल कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग का हमने एक सिलसिला शुरू किया, ताकि जो ज़लज़ले में हमने बेबसी देखी और उस वक्त हमारे पास कोई रेस्क्यू की टीमें ना थी, आज न सिर्फ पंजाब बल्कि तमाम सूबों के अंदर टीमें अवेलेबल हो कि खुदा ना खास्ता अगर किसी को भी कोई इमरजेंसी होती है, उसके साथ कोई सालिहा होता है, तो उसमें कम से कम हम बेबसी से बाहर न देख रहे हो, बल्कि हमारी अपनी टीमें मौजूद है। इसी जज्बे के साथ हम आपको इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज अकेडमी में बाकायदा तौर पे वेलकम करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला को किसी को भी इमरजेंसी ना हो। और अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि आज हमने वो कैपेसिटी बिल्ड की है कि चाहे तो अमीर हो, गरीब हो, किसी रंगो नस्ल से हो, उसको बगैर किसी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के आज आप लोग जाके उसकी मदद करते हैं।
It is indeed a great pleasure, absolute honor and a singular privilege for me to be here with you today to witness this great event, I would say extraordinary event, and share my views, thoughts and sentiments with this wonderful audience. I am delighted to be here. I am particularly delighted to be here in this extremely great, globally renowned and highly regarded institution which has earned United Nations special certification in the field of search and rescue, and to be present in this event of 10th National Rescue Challenge. The Punjab Rescue Services, as I feel, I would recognize as a super fast, extraordinary, unimaginable and a brave emergency corps. That's all. The services provided by Punjab Emergency Services are now in par with global development, and I would say more comprehensive in nature. Let me place on record that I have been here before, maybe 2-3 months back, and the training given which I have observed, the professional excellence exhibited, and the knowledge imparted is far beyond expectation and far beyond excellence. It was really an amazing experience for me. I could not believe when I came here the amount of training people undergo, the amount of professional excellence exhibited is really great. I would like to congratulate the 9th winning teams from provinces. I have seen teams are coming from all parts of the country. It is not only now in Punjab, it has been spread across the country. I have seen teams from Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and other parts of the country. That's great to see. So I am sure that you will display today an extraordinary event here. I would like to appreciate and admire the leadership of Dr. Iswan, who is a very dynamic leader, the faculty members and the organizing committee for organizing this wonderful, great, extraordinary event in spite of COVID-19 situation in the country. I hereby formally open the 10th National Rescue Challenge and wish you all the very best and good luck. Thank you so much.